Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to sell AlphaCoin. First, you'll need to select a reliable cryptocurrency exchange that lists AlphaCoin. Next, familiarize yourself with the various selling options offered by the platform, such as market or limit orders. Finally, ensure your AlphaCoin is ready to be transferred to the exchange for the selling process. This foundational understanding will guide you through each subsequent step smoothly and efficiently. Once you've chosen an exchange, the next step is to create an account and complete the necessary identity verification, often called KYC. This process typically takes a few minutes to a few hours. After verification, locate your AlphaCoin deposit address on the exchange and carefully transfer your coins from your personal wallet. Always double-check the address to prevent any loss of funds during this critical step. Now, head to the trading interface on your chosen exchange. Find the AlphaCoin trading pair, for example, AlphaCoin versus US dollar. You can choose a market order to sell immediately at the current price or a limit order to set a specific price. Enter the exact quantity of AlphaCoin you wish to sell, review the details, and then confirm your order. Your coins will then be sold. After your AlphaCoin has been successfully sold, the funds will appear in your exchange account, usually as a stablecoin or fiat currency. You can then initiate a withdrawal to your linked bank account or another preferred payment method. Be mindful of any withdrawal fees, which can range from a few cents to several dollars, and typical processing times, which might be 1 to 3 business days. Congratulations, you've successfully sold your AlphaCoin.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.